marketers have planned to optimize their websites more than voice search. They wanted to go for video marketing. So they surveyed lots of people, lots of digital marketing agencies. Video is the top priority for 2019 and 2020. So that's one of the main reasons why I tell people to start publishing their videos. So there are lots of digital marketers and creative agencies who anticipate that video marketing gives them better results. More better than voice search or people with lower priority list. Why you should care and the types of video marketing which you work on. It's always better to invest in Instagram stories or newsfeed videos or the kind of streaming videos or IGTV or live videos. There are top ranking videos out there. The people who anticipate. Surprisingly, the prioritization of Instagram stories is quite high in the newsfeed. Work on B2B and B2C marketers. Start publishing what it takes to let other people know your story. Beyond video, the survey respondents indicated that there are lots of micro moments, there are lots of visual design, there are lots of important facts, but marketing always rules. So start publishing lots of videos. See you soon.